Kejelang jika kunhun menteri kebelalong mentagasi ke arpusan tarik undailat arja pulai kalau menjur ia dikhot badu chairperson jika expert committee nak kamta ban pek penha ia ke reservation policy kat kum kajinya thu jong na aktin yang sarkar kat kong april lengdo le thu bai ka kateng jong mul chakar badu justice barim jong kari india penulong ru chairperson jong ke committee ki pat khot kilong dr Shati Chandra nak law department professor Didi Kumar Nakawan Department of Sociology ubadiru unikai jaga skol ba nehu Professor Chandra Shekhar ubadiru expert jaga Population Studies Department of Maternity Sociology Department Indian Institute of Population Sciences Mumbai baru Professor Subhati Mukherjee ubadiru member jaga Economic ani unikai jaga Economics Department hapo IIM Shillong.
The first item is the constitution of the expert committee for the state reservation policy. It has been decided in the cabinet that the chairperson of this committee shall be Justice Retired Mool Chand Garg. Members will include Justice Retired Dr. Satish Chandra as an expert member in constitutional law, Professor Didi Kumar for expert member in sociology from NEHU, Professor Chandra Shekhar for expert member in population studies from the Department of Fertility and Social Demography, Indian Institute of Population Sciences, Mumbai. And the fifth member shall be Professor Subhadip Mukherjee, an expert from Economics, IIM Shillong. The terms of reference for the committee shall include to study the current reservation policy and recommend modifications if necessary. And number two, to undertake wide-ranging consultations with all stakeholders and visit various locations in the state to solicit the views of all stakeholders. The time frame to be given to this committee will be 12 months to complete its task. Then there will be some amount of bias. So to avoid this bias concept, we feel that we should leave it to experts which will be in position to actually take views on board and solicit views from different groups. So it will be difficult for us if we have to keep expanding it. How many kinds of indigenous representations do you want in a committee like this? Because we are looking at a wide range of varieties of groups that will want to also suggest to the expert committee. Best thing is get experts in the line departments. What are the line departments? The legal, the constitutional, the demographic, the anthro, and the population count. So let us look at all of this. Let us see. Let's start the ball rolling. 12 months will be given to this committee. Hopefully, we will have some idea. Yeah, so they've submitted and we hand them over to this expert committee.
So in that case, it will hand in hand exist?
No, now we will have a secretary who will be from the law department, who will make sure that all the logistics, the requirements, the appointments from interested parties shall be made. We already have somebody there. Mr. Dingdor from the law department will liaison on behalf of the committee with citizens. The political committee set up for the purpose was inadequately expertise. So we have said that we are not experts and we cannot take up this matter. So we are bringing in the experts. So yes, that will cease to operate.
From political parties?
Two, if I remember correctly. Yeah.
Only which party?
KNUM had submitted some things, very skeletal submission, and UDP. A detailed submission was given
So
by
your committee is close now to receive suggestions?
Yes, it will now go through to the experts.